In the previous session, we are discussing about factor reversal test and time reversal test. We had also considered the example on that, how to construct the factor reversal test and the time reversal test. Next, the index number is the consumer price index number, or is also called as cost of living index number. So cost of living index number means, see, they are intended to represent the average change over the time in the prices paid by the consumer out of goods and services. See, what is the need of this, the consumer price index? The need is actually constructing consumer price. What happens is, the problem arises because in the general index, the whatever we have learnt in the previous classes, those numbers fail to give an exact idea of the effect of the change in the general price level on the cost of living index numbers. See, because there are different types of people in the society, same category is not able, because the expenditure or consumption of one family is not exactly the same of the other family or other village, or so there is a different types of classes of people in different manners. So different classes of people consume different types of commodity, and same time the same types of commodity and the same type of commodities are not consumed. Suppose if you are spending say 10 kg per month, or the same family, the same size of the family of neighbour may spend about 5 kgs, and he spent about the jaggery more. So the same quantity is not utilized in each household. There are different type of people, different types of consumption of the same commodity. So in such cases, this normal consumer index numbers will not be will not be good. It not give the correct idea of the correct estimate. So we go for the different method as aggregate expenditure method and family budget method. Aggregate, as the name itself says that, the aggregate, we take the average of the quantity for the base year. This method gives the importance to quantities of base year. So we need to find out the aggregate expenditure of the base year and the current year. In the simple word, you can say that we use the L'Espere method. Formula is such that P01 equal to sum of P1 Q0 divided by P0 K0. P is the price, Q is the quantity, 1 is the current period, and 0 is the base period. Similarly, family budget method. This method also gives the importance to price relatives. The current year, here the aggregate expenditure method is the importance given to the quantities. Here the importance is given to the price. That is the difference. So here current period price is divided by the base year and multiplied by 100. This is done for each commodity. Then weights are calculated as R equal to P1 divided by P0 multiplied by 100. So P01 where P01 equal to sum of RW divided by sum of W. Where W is the weight. Weight is P0 Q0. That is the weight. Next, let us take up an example. It would be more clear then. So construct CPI using consumer price index. It is also, the consumer price index is also called as cost of living index number. Both are the same. So construct consumer price index number or cost of living index number using both aggregative expenditure method and family budget method. Commodity is given, base year and the current year. Base year prices and quantities are given. Current year also prices and quantities are given. Base year is P0 Q0 and current year is the P1 Q1. Now by the method of expenditure method, so commodity and base year is taken as P1 and current year rest is Q1. So P1 P0 is 10 into 4, that is equal to 40. 12 into 6 is 72. Similarly, 20 into 5 equal to 100. Similarly, get the P1 Q0 and P0 Q0. P0 and Q0 means price and quantities of the base year. So that is 20, 10 into 2, 20, 12 into 5, 60, 20 into 40, 20 into 4 is 80, like that 15 into 2 is 30, and get the total, and hence apply the formula P01 equal to sum of P1 Q0 divided by sum of P0 Q0 multiplied by 100. The total is this 257 divided by 190 multiplied by 100, that gives you 135.626. Solution. The commodity is given. Commodity is given, the base year and the current year. Now take the weights. How the weights is P0 Q0. P0 Q0 is from the previous table, so that is equal to this gives you again 20, 60, 80 and 30, 190, and R equal to P1 divided by P0 multiplied by 100. P1 is the price of the current period and P0 is the price of base period, and get the product of R into W. Now take the sum for the W and RW and apply the formula P01 equal to sum of RW divided by W, that is equal to 25,700 divided by 190, that gives you 135.26. Now what is the importance? So, the importance means actually this is used to determine the purchasing power of the money and real wages because of different categories of people in the society. So same type of category of people as well as the consumption is not available. So in such cases you take the average by considering both quantity and the price. So it is very helpful for determining the purchasing power of money and real wages. It also helps in forming the government policy to make the policy for the distribution of food. So in such cases this is very much needed. Consumer price index. Similarly, the price of the certain essential commodities increase due to the shortage of government may decided to provide them through a actually FAIRE ಇದೆ fair price shops retailing. So consumer price index also used to analyze the market specific commodities. Now difficulties are there. So as different sectors of society have different standards of living, becomes difficult to have only one type of this for the different classes of people, same unit. So every family households has different budget set because proportion of expense, as I said earlier. So the any commodity, any particular commodity used by one household may not be the same or near to the same from the other household or the neighbor. So different commodities are used, different types of commodities, different quantities are used. The same commodity in different quantities is used by the different households. It is not the same. So this is the collection of data is difficult. This is a difficult for that. Then real prices or retail prices being used to construct the consumer price index, it also fails to truly express the results because retail prices of commodities are not fixed. They keep on changing whenever there is a change in supply and demand. So suddenly if any epidemic or like corona type or any other some season, off season will be there. In the season there will be a low price, and in the off season the same commodity may the value of the same commodity may rise, the price of the commodity may rise. So there is a fluctuation. Due to the fluctuations, it is very difficult to construct the consumer price. Next, Sample conservations consumers selected to construct the index numbers may fail to truly represent the class if any done. So this is all about the family budget number. So again that completes the third chapter. Next third chapter, from the next period onwards, let us see about the fourth chapter, theory of sampling. Thank you.